Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is KG. Today I'll be working on this 2010 Mazda CX-9. I'm going to be replacing the valve cover gasket. I'm going to bring you guys along how to do this job. Please, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I do apologize. Sometimes the wind might be blowing when I'm walking outside. That is something that I do not have control of. As you all know, I'm a mobile mechanic. I work outside, so I can't control the wind, the weather. I don't have power to do that. It's only Jesus that he was the one that rebuked the wind. I wish I have the power, I will rebuke the wind. Bro, I haven't said that. KG, you know my slogan. Let's go. Getting it right now. All right, so first we just take off the cover right here. Then we'll lose this guy right here, right here, right here, right here. Disconnect this hose. So we're going to take off this whole thing just like that. Put this aside. Yeah, you just buy the engine out of the dog bone.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much you go put up?
So we're coming right here to do it. About $30.
Make I go out.
Just come right here.
Abi?
Yeah.
The front one, Abi?
The dog bone.
The dog bone, right?
Yeah, dog bone.
Wow.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead now. Disconnect this guy right here.
Hello.
And we're gonna unplug this
No, está bien,
wires.
para decirte que ya, entonces estoy viendo aquí. Sí, no, ya aproveché, le compré de una vez la correa y los sellos. Sí, para hacerle todo de una vez porque aquí le estamos dando mucho sello. Sí, entonces aproveché, ahí eso es barato. Yo me van a gastar casi 400 por todo. ¿Eh? Sí, imagínate,
So it's good to have a magnet handing.
So
what I normally do is with all this ignition core, I just put it down the way I'm going to take it out, lay it down just like that, one after the other. One.
Que se nubla mucho por dentro, hay que mantener el aire. Por eso lo vamos a dejar ya para la próxima vez, como le van a cambiar el aceite, aprovechar lo del aire también. Hablamos ahorita, un tiempecito aquí porque voy.
And there's one drop right here too. I'll bring this guy all the way down here. Okay, there are 8 both. Just around the both. So we'll go ahead first.
Hi, friends. How you doing?
Okay, how you feel?
I'm good.
How's everything?
You know where the charter school is?
I'm sorry?
You know where the charter school is around here?
I'm gonna go around there. Back up, go around this corner.
It's behind, basically behind
Yeah,
here.
it's right there. That's the school.
Where? Where is it?
Well, yeah, the our word they go Charles Street. But you're gonna go right around the corner and go to the corner. This corner is on the other side. Yeah, just come around like this.
All right.
You got it?
Thank you.
You got it.
You feel me and stuff?
Yeah.
I like
do.
that. Me and channel, I subscribe. You know, we support you.
Oh yeah, Kenjiaro, you know that.
That's right.
All right, darling.
All right, later.
Take it. Okay, so that one is out. Put this one aside. So we're gonna go ahead now. Start breaking this down. I don't know how many bolts are there, but we'll figure it out. So maybe I have to come back. Let me take off all these bolts so the video won't be that long. Would you agree with me? So let me go ahead and take off the bolt. Then we'll be back. Alright, so I lose all the bolts already. Disconnected this. Just gonna lift this guy up now. So we are after this gasket right here. We're gonna clean it around. So we're gonna go ahead now. We're gonna clean up this place right here. Then bring out this bolt. Alright, so the valve cover gasket is ready now. Everything is. Just make sure you put the bolt in there first. Everything lap. There's one on that one right here, smaller one. There's one that go around. Just press it really good. Push all this bolt out. Then you just take your time to work it back in there and clean up the surface already. So we're gonna go back in there and work on the surface already. First we're gonna lift up this guy. This side coming in first. Like that. This one. This is where you have to really take your time. To learn right now. So something is happening here. Let's see everything. This way. Ghana was coming on. There you go. Give me a good big hand clap there. There you go. So everything is tugging already. We just have to start reconnecting this guy right here. Roll this guy back. put this guy right here. Let's go on down there. Connect this guy. Have to tie this in. Have to tie this guy right here with the 10. Okay, remember the spring fell out, so we're going to put the spring back in there. Very important. Coming into that spark plug. Put this one, we have two. Get everything. Nothing is missing. Just press it down. That's it. That guy is missing. Sorry. So put all the 4 8 bolts. One more. So we can use the gun to run this guy. That's a little bit. I don't want to use the gun to run the gasket. It's a rubber. That's it. Then we'll put this 10 here. Okay, so now bring this cover right here. Put this cover. Just like this. Put this bolt there. There's a north and there's a bolt. It's everything back there. The bolt right here. There's one, there's a north. On that side there. This goes right here. Put a clip there to tie that there. Go ahead now. Bring the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. Sorry, I'm over the camera. Talking about this guy right here. This one, this one, this one. So this one is just a clip. This guy is like that. Just go ahead and tie this too. That's basically it. All right, that's pretty much it on this job here. Please support your boy by subscribing. I'm gonna be replacing the setting belt also, but I'm not gonna video that, and I'm gonna be doing some brake work. So there's a lot to be done in this car because sometimes videoing do take some time. I know I want to do my job at the same time. I want to make money as well too. Please, question, comments, you know what to do. KG, love you. Brooklyn, shout out. I'll see you on my next episode. We are gone. Look at my gloves.